welcome back to my channel and I'm your teacher Srishti, and today we are going to start with the new chapter of the biology class 12, that is reproductive health. So basically, what do you mean by reproductive health? So reproductive health is basically the health related to the reproductive organs. If the reproductive organs are functioning well, we call it the person is having a good reproductive health. Okay. Now we are going to talk about what is the perspective of the reproductive health according to the WHO. According to the WHO, reproductive health means the total physical, emotional, behavior. It means physical, emotional, behavioral, and social aspects. ये इन सब के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. Depends upon all of them: physical, emotional, behavioral, and social aspects of the reproduction. Okay, total well-being of physical, emotional, behavioral, and social aspect of the reproduction. Okay, now a society with a people having a proper, if a society has people who are having a proper functioning and the physical of the normal reproductive organ, and they have the very better aspect of the behavioral and the social aspects of the reproduction, then in that case we will call it as they are having a good reproductive health. So you know, fun fact that India is among the one country that first launches the program for the reproductive health. That's a fun fact, don't you think so? Now we are going to talk about various problems that is in the world and what are the solutions of them. So let's talk about this. Various strategies and various strategies of the various problems. We are going to talk about all of them. So let's get started with that. So be ready. So let's talk about first problem, that is the population growth. You know how much big problem that is in our nation or all over the world now at the today's time. Overpopulation. Okay, so we sorry for the noise that is behind. So people of India have launched that family planning program. In 1951. So the family planning program was launched in India in 1951. So what does the program aims at? The program aims at improving the reproductive health of the people and to control the population. You have always, not always, but many times have listened the slogan that we two are two, means हम दो हमारे दो. That has been launched under the family planning program. Okay, so the program is constantly improving according to the current situation. Okay, so there is the reproductive areas currently in operation under the RCH. Now what do you mean by RCH? We are going to talk about that. RCH means reproductive and child health care. Okay, program. And RCH, now what is the function of this RCH? That RCH has the main function of creating an awareness. It is basically an awareness act among the people about the various aspects of the reproduction. Okay, providing the support and facilities for the building reproductive healthy society. So that's the basic function of the RCH, that is reproductive and child care programs. Now the second problem is about the sexual education.
चल ले facts.
Now it's very important to provide the sex education to the students or to the people to be aware about how to take care of themselves. It's very important aspect of our society today. It makes them aware about the contraceptives, about that there is a very important of the consultant of both the males and females for the copulation. It all covers about all of them. Okay. So the introduction of the sex education at the school level is being critically overviewed by the expert to prevent the major issue. According to the National Family Health Survey conducted by the International Institute of the Population Science, it is very important, IIPS, International Institute of the Population Science, International Institute of Population Science, तो IIPS इसे कंक्लूड करके क्या बताया that 1 in 6 women aged between 15 to 19 years in India are mothers. Don't you think it is a very critical problem in India? Means that there is a child marriage. There is many cases in which women become pregnant before the age of 15 to 19. That is a critical issue in our country. So high teen pregnancy in India is there. Youth in India needs sex education more than in any other country. So in India there is very big importance of the sex education than any other country, because of the people of India are very less aware about the sex knowledge. Okay. Council of the Boards of the School Education in India, which we call as CBSE, Council of the Board Education in India, Board School Education in India, has proposed the introduction of the sex education in class 10th and 12th new syllabus, like we are studying it in class 12. And similarly, in class 10th, who have obviously studied the class of the human reproduction, chapter of human reproduction in 10th standard, the last 2 to 3 pages are about the sex education. Okay, now awareness about the reproduction. Various government and NGOs are trying to, by various means, to spread the awareness about the safety and reproductive health. Teacher and the parents, relatives, friends equally have a big role in spreading the awareness. So all plays a big role. All the people in your society have some important role in spreading the education. There is no bounding of learning from anyone. You can learn from anyone if you want. So that's basically emphasizes here. Now reproductive awareness. What are the reproductive awareness? Knowledge about growth of reproductive organ, adolescence, related changes. What do you mean by adolescence? Adolescence is the age of puberty, when secondary sexual characters appears. Okay, and very important to discuss about STDs, that is sexual transmitted disease, AIDS, etc. Now birth control device, postnatal care of the mother and child. Postnatal care means after birth of the child, the care that is given to the mother as well as the child is known as postnatal care. Okay, awareness program due to the uncontrolled population, social evils like sex abuse, sex related crimes, knowledge about the medical facilities available for the reproductive related program, educating people, especially the fertile couple, those in migratable age group, about the birth control opinion, care of the pregnant mothers. That is very important nowadays. Postnatal care of the mother and child, that we have already done. Now the importance of the breastfeeding, because the breastfeed provide the nutrition to the child and protect it from the various diseases, because during the during the lactation the child gets many important nutrients, as well as it may get some bacteria, but these bacteria are the ones that help in improving the it is that bacteria that help in building up the immune system of the child. equal opportunities for the male and female child, etc. That's the important that is needed to know to the people. Now the most important thing, that is sex determination, that is very prominent in India even nowadays. Rather than it has been illegal, but then after it is very common in India, that needed to be stopped out. Okay, so various preventions has been taken for that event. So many researches are there given in the reproductive health areas, researches on the various areas, better awareness about the sex related manners, increased number of the medical assistants, and better postnatal care, STDs cure, better detection, overall increased medical facilities of the sex related programs. Now maternal and child health services. So we are going to talk about maternal and child health services, that is known as MCH. Maternal and child health decisions and areas or services we are going to talk about. Give necessary information, guidance to the mother before and after the delivery for the popular look after themselves and their infant is newborn baby. You might be known about it. In short, safe delivery of the infant and postnatal care, arranging milk fill program, train the midwives also to the safety and the delivery of the infants, educating newly wedded couples about the advantages of the small families spacing between the successive, all of that. Now we are going to talk about the topic of the populational explosion. So better awareness of the sex related increase होनी चाहिए, MMR होने चाहिए, infant mortality rate बनना चाहिए, ये सब कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट है. आगे अब हम बात करेंगे मेजर्स टू बर्थ कंट्रोल. बर्थ कंट्रोल के लिए वेरियस मेजर्स है, इसके बाद हम अगली वीडियो में बात करते हैं. बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी वीडियो, आपको समझने में मुश्किल होगी. आज इतना कराया उतना समझ के आना.